I like the title, The Artist's Journey, and I have my own journey in being an artist, and I figured that could help me and open me up for a new experience as an artist. And I say, why not? I'm always open to take a risk, which that's what the artists do. And I said, why not? I like to go, I like to volunteer myself for that experience. Nancy is incredible. She's such a gentle soul, so generous soul, and so much acceptance of others that I really feel that she helped us with our process. I believe that you learn as you experience, and my experience of her was completely no judgment. That's her experience, that experience that I got from her. Unconditional acceptance, unconditional love. She's very gentle, and by experiencing that from her, I was able to do it for myself. She encouraged us to just take a risk and just to experiment and not to judge. And she encouraged us to open to the unknown and try different things. And by her encouraging us and not really judging our process, I really felt more at ease. I actually got a sense from her that everything was okay. It was all good. There was no bad or good. It was all good. And because she felt that way, we all felt that way. See, the infection, we all got infected of this beautiful feeling of we're okay after all, Well, I am kind of like a beginning painter. It will benefit a lot from a person who's beginning, because then you start opening up and actually transmitting your emotions and your creativity into your canvas. But as we go, the artist will feel stuck. You could be an artist and a painter for many, many, many years, and all of a sudden you feel stuck. And this will be something that you can renew, like I would say, renew your vows of creativity. And for the experienced painter, that will be something that they could utilize as well, to renew their vows, to be more committed, to experience less judgment of their work, and to kind of like start from scratch. Life is just small beginnings, and small endings. And just because you're an experienced artist doesn't mean that you cannot benefit from something like this. And there's many benefits. For the beginner painter or artist, it's good to start opening up your creativity, translate that creativity into the canvas, trying different things, not being afraid of experiencing different things. And for the person who's been painting for a while, like I said, you get stuck, you get into old habits, you get into judgment of your work. And so this will be like a renewing your vows with creativity, renewing your vows with being yourself and accepting your art as part of you. And definitely anybody could benefit from it, especially the Hispanic community. And I also will have to start like a new space in my home. I kind of would like to just take all my art out of my closet and start a little bit of a studio for me. I probably will do that in a little corner of my bedroom, one of my bedrooms, to do a little studio for me where I could just go there and experiment, like she was saying, experiment with my creativity and let it all flow as a painter. And using music, I think I would love to do that more often as well.
Cool.
Well, I think anybody could benefit from this retreat, even if you are not an artist, as a person, because life is an art. Life is like art. And when you take this retreat, you could incorporate all that you learn into your own life, to open up, to express yourself, to see wonder every day, to take risk, to incorporate your feelings into a daily basis, into your daily life. I don't know, it's just life is art and art is life.